In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place trades directly on TradingView. For many of you who have been using separate platforms like Metatrader 4, this is a great way to streamline your trading activities. So, let's dive right in. First up, you need to open your browser and navigate to TradingView. You can do this by simply typing in tradingview.com or clicking on your saved bookmark if you have one. TradingView has become one of the most popular charting platforms due to its user-friendly interface and powerful tools. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the charts right in front of you, ready to start analyzing. Now look towards the bottom or the sidebar and click on something that says All Brokers. This is an exciting feature because here you can see all the brokers TradingView allows you to connect with. Connecting directly on TradingView saves you time and effort and helps keep all your charting and trading activities in one place. For our demonstration today, we'll choose Binance as our broker. Of course, you should choose the broker that corresponds to your account or trading preferences. As you select Binance, you'll notice an option labeled Connect pop up. Go ahead and click on Connect. This step will prompt you to log into your broker account, authorizing TradingView to place trades on your behalf. Once you've successfully logged in, there's a little icon to watch out for, a green circle. This indicator is crucial because if you see it on your screen, it means TradingView has verified the connection and everything is set up correctly. A legit connection ensures that your trades are secure and processed properly. Now, to place a trade, right-click anywhere on the chart and select Add Order. This option brings up the trading panel, which is where the magic happens. Here you have the flexibility to set up your trade with various parameters, whether you want to buy, sell, or place limit orders, all according to your strategy. In the trading panel, you'll see clear buttons for both buy and sell. Choosing either will initiate your trade, and you can specify your order size and other details accordingly. Don't worry if you're still getting familiar with the options. Everything is designed to be intuitive with helpful tooltips. And that's it. You've just placed a trade directly on TradingView, bypassing Metatrader 4 entirely. Remember, having all your trading activities in one spot can enhance your efficiency and focus, letting you concentrate on analyzing trends and making informed decisions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has made your trading journey a bit smoother. Subscribe for more tips and tutorials to keep up with the latest in trading technology. See you in the next video.